Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. So today's video is going to be a very quick video, a very random haul. I am not even sure why I am doing this video because there is not much in today's video to show. But since I have been doing this video, the monthly haul video every month of this year, and this is just one thing I have been consistent in. So I thought I will film this video as well, and I'll come here and wish you guys all a very happy festive season. Happy Navratri, happy Durga Puja, happy Dashera. Enjoy a lot, although we are not doing much this year. But yeah, if you want to see some festive looks, then do follow me on Instagram. I think I'll be posting something there. Don't think I'll be doing much for YouTube this year. So yeah, I just want to come here and share with you what all products I have purchased in the past month of September. This is October, yes, past month of September. So if you guys are interested, then please do continue watching. Okay guys, let's get started with this very random haul. There are all sorts of things which are in here, and I thought I'll just put everything in this haul. So the most exciting thing which I purchased last month is of course the Natasha Denona retro palette. I have already done a video with this palette where I have created one look. You can go ahead and check out that video. I have also created this look using this palette, and this tutorial was actually on Natasha Denona's Instagram, from where I have just exactly copied, and I really like this look which I have created with this palette, and I'm really liking this palette. Love the packaging. I have already shown you swatches in the other video which I have done. So do check out that video. This is how the packaging looks like. It's super pretty, and I think this is one of my favorite ones which Natasha Denona has. One of the favorite eyeshadow palettes in this range, because I think these are the colors I love, and I am having so much fun creating looks and playing with this palette, although I haven't really gone out too much with this palette for obvious reasons, but I'm having fun like trying out and testing out different looks. And so far whatever I have tried, I think I've tried all the shades so far. I think all the shades work amazingly well on my kind of skin tone. Only one shade which I would say is called Rebellion, which is that creamy finish shade. It's not that intense, as intense it looks in the pan. I wish it was a little bit more intense. This one and this one, they are very similar in color. So these two are a little bit like, the texture is very nice, but the colors I feel are more or less similar. But the other cream finish shadow, this one, which is this brown, it is gorgeous brown. It's super easy to blend, very pigmented, and as this one as well, this corally color which I have on my eyes today as well, super easy to blend. This shade could have been better. That's about it. Otherwise the shade color is very nice. It works quite well too, but I feel like these two shades are too similar. But anyways, this is how the rest of the palette looks like. It's a pretty interesting, cool toned, berry toned, a little bit of purple inside. There is one beautiful purple here, vibe palette. These are the shades I love. I love these kind of cool toned colors. So yeah, this is a more of a cool toned palette with a little bit of warmth in this corner right here, but not too much. I would say this is a totally neutral, cool toned palette. If you love pinks, berries, purples, this is a great palette. And if you ask me which one would you recommend from this one or the Love palette, I would say this is a little bit more wearable than the Love palette. Love palette is a little bit more punchier. It has more purples, more duochromes. Here also there are some duochromes, but they are more subtler, more wearable. So this is definitely a very nice wearable version of the Love palette. This gives me the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette vibe. I used to love that palette so much. Unfortunately it's discontinued now. But yeah, I am having fun with this palette. Lovely mattes, beautiful, blendable, and the metallic shades also are superb. There are two duochromatic shades which are also really nice. I'll give a close-up of the look which I have done today. This is how the look is. I really like this look. The colors were super easy to blend, and love this shade right here which I have on the lid today. So this shade right here, it has like a pink gold shift. So that's what I have on the eyelid, and it looks very nice in different kind of lightings. So yeah, that's the palette for today, or not today, the palette for last month. I bought just this one palette last month, and I'm super happy with this purchase. And let's see what I do next, if I will buy any more palettes this year or not. So far I have not been drawn to any other palettes, so let's see. So that was one makeup product. Then I also purchased one Denona product. So this is a bronzer which I purchased. This one actually is a cream bronzer. I thought it's a powder bronzer because it says power bronzer, so I read it as powder bronzer, but I thought that it is a powder bronzer and I purchased it, but it's actually cream and it's in the shade medium. Now I am not wearing this today because I forgot I already applied powder to my face, but this is how the bronzer looks like. This is how the shade looks like. I am very sure it's going to be a great match for my skin tone, a nice subtle cream bronzer. I will use it and see. I am really interested in Denona products. She has so many interesting cool things. So I am starting to buy some Denona stuff, like her, especially her eye products. They are so catching. Even her lips products. So yeah, probably in the next few months I might end up buying some more Denona stuff. So I'll let you know about this one. But yeah, I was hoping for a powder bronzer. This is a cream one. Then I also purchased this one along with the bronzer and the palette. So this is a brush set actually from Unit 10. By the way, I bought both of these items from Beautylish, and this is from Beautylish as well. This is a brush set from Unit 10. This was just $20. So I quickly grabbed it. I quickly added it to my cart because there are some very nice eyeshadow brushes. I love eyeshadow brush sets. So this had very nice shapes, and I thought it will be a very useful, handy brush kit for travel as well. So this is from Unit 10. I think I'm not sure from which country it is, but the reviews are very good, and it's supposed to have very good quality brush sets. So if you want brush sets from Unit 10, you can check out Beautylish. Beautylish is a US based website, but it ships internationally. So I really like to shop from Beautylish. They have a lot of like high-end luxury goods. Okay, I bought one more lipstick, and I have told you guys that I have purchased one more shade of the Givenchy Rouge lipsticks. I'm in love with this formula, and a big reason for doing this video today is because I wanted to show you this lipstick. And I think 3 or 4 people asked me which is the other shade you got, because they really like the lipstick formula, the Givenchy Rouge formula. So yeah, this is the reason why I'm doing this video. This is the shade which I've got, Violet Velour. Here is the shade. So this is like a very plummy kind of a shade. This is what I'm wearing, of course. It's a really pretty color, and I think it looks great with the eye look which I have today. And this is like my kind of shades. If you like berries, you're going to love this lipstick shade. It has a slight bit of a plum to it. Not too much though, it's more of a berry lipstick, but it has a slight bit of that plummy pinkiness to it. Love it. It's of course the same kind of packaging. I've recently done a lipstick video where I have picked 10 favorite lipsticks from my high-end collection. I will do a drugstore one soon, but do check out the high-end version. It was the last video I did. So I have already shown you the other one which I have. Super luxurious lipstick. This one, the Givenchy Rouge lipsticks. I'll show the packaging one more time. This is velvet packaging, and the formula of this lipsticks there, it's just mind-blowing. Super richly pigmented, glides like butter, and it stays really well on the lips, even though it's a cream lipstick. Even under a mask, it just performs so well. I'm in love with this formula. I hope I stop buying more shades in this. So those are the makeup products I purchased last month. I don't know, somehow I don't purchase too many things these days, because I am not really wearing that much makeup. I am not filming also that much, not doing too many reviews, so I'm not buying that much. Hopefully once the pandemic is over and we are going out more, probably I will buy more, I don't know. but I am planning to film videos with products I already have. I do have a lot of stuff which I still need to film videos on, so that's why I don't have too many new things. But let's see, the holiday collections are coming out, so maybe I will get some things. I don't know. Then there are few like 3 products which I have got. One is it is a hair care mask. I love this hair care mask. I have spoken about this a lot. This is a Jouer Don't Repair Despair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is like a conditioner, a hair mask. You can use it in both ways, and I think if you're in India, you can get Jouer these days, if I'm not wrong. Do try this mask out. I was not using it for a while because I was out of my, I don't know, 10th tub, but I was missing it. I use it on my daughter's hair as well, and her hair is long and like thick, so it works so well on her hair. So she's also another customer for this. She also loves this. Her hair feels super nice and silky when I use it on her. So yeah, this is just like a very nice hair product. If you are looking for something which will give you that extra conditioning and your hair is going to feel very soft, smooth, straight, non-frizzy, this is it. I love this mask. I use it mostly as a conditioner though, but sometimes when I feel like okay, I have that 5 minutes, then I apply it as a mask and let it sit for 5 minutes and then wash off. It works great. So that's another product I got. And then there are just random 2 things I'll just show you quickly. I bought some Beautylish makeup remover wipes. We went on a staycation, by the way. I have posted 1 picture on Instagram and few pictures on my Instagram stories. I have filmed a vlog, so I will be posting a vlog. I don't know when, don't ask me that, but I will be posting. So when I was on my staycation, I realized I don't have wipes. I don't use makeup wipes these days. I don't have wipes. I mean, I have forgotten makeup wipes. I mean, it's good in a way, but but when you are out and about, you actually need makeup wipes. So I bought a small one which I will just keep it handy in my purse, just to like take out lipstick swatches and all that, just to take out eyeliner or something like that. But yeah, I was pretty surprised that I don't really have makeup wipes. So this is what I purchased when I was on the staycation. I love this Beautylish makeup wipes. If you are in Singapore, I think this is available in US as well, and in European countries of course. Beautylish makeup wipes, these are amazing, very saturated. They take off makeup like this, even waterproof makeup. This one works great, so I will highly recommend. And the last product for today, yes, that's the last product, is I got a facial razor from Tweezerman. This also I realized that I was out of all of my those plastic razors, and I saw this on Cult Beauty. This was not too expensive. I would say it was around 13 pounds. So it was not like very expensive. It's expensive, but it's not very expensive. So I thought, okay, I do replace my plastic ones quite often. So I thought, let me buy this one. This also has 3 blades, which is like, it has come with extra 2 blades. And it is like a steel razor, a facial razor. And I use facial razors a lot for my eyebrows especially. I don't remember when I have gone last time for getting my eyebrows done, and also around the mouth area I use facial razors only. So I thought this was a really good idea. I have the Tweezerman tweezers. I completely forgot the word. I also have the Tweezerman tweezers, and they work great. I have a set of 2 tweezers. They are my holy grail. They are so good. The precision with which it works, I really like it. So I hope this is going to be a very good quality as well. So that's why I purchased it. I'll let you guys know how I like it. I think this should be good. So that's it for my haul this month of September. Those are all the things I purchased. If you have purchased any new things, then do let me know in the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram, because this festive season I think I'll be more active on Instagram than on YouTube. I just don't have the time to edit some of my videos. It's hard, it's difficult to manage full-time job and YouTube. I don't know how some people can do it, my god. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, please do consider subscribing my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more content very soon. Bye.